Alright guys, so I welcome you guys back to another interesting class of our YouTube Masterclass. Everything like as I promised you guys, you're going to learn everything you need to be a successful YouTuber. Okay, so all you have to do is to make sure you watch, follow the step and implement it. Then you enroll into my YouTube Academy for proper guidance and mentorship and the like. So in this part of the class, we are going to talk about best YouTube videos length and monetization tab on YouTube Analytics. So with that being said, so let's get started. Welcome back guys. So I'm walking you guys through two relevant examples as far as video analytics and the best YouTube video length is concerned. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing first, I will head over to my content right here. I'll head over to my content. Then I'm going to make some filters. So I'll make use of filter. Then I will search by views, because this is what determines your revenue on YouTube. So I will search by 5,000 view. So I need a video about 5,000 view and click on apply. All right, so let me quickly scroll down. So right here we have 5,000 right here. So I will right click. I'm going to open a new tab. Then I'm trying to compare two videos for you guys so that you can see the difference. So right one here, we have the same view here. Open in a new tab. So all right, so I'm going to load this video right here. So I'm clicking on here to load the video. Then it's open a new tab. So I'm going to close this. Then we move to the second video. So I'm going to load this one also. So we have the same views. Then I'm going to close this tab. So we have these two videos now. All right, so this one right here, this video right here, it's one of my video. Then you have to click on here again. I'm going to my analytics so you guys can see the analytics. And let's take a look at the second video. So the second video here is this. Then we go to analytics also. All right, so under the analytics, so let me give you a brief analytics of this video. This video here is about 1 hour. About 1 hour, okay. And this video here generates 5,000 view. Then the watch hour here is 500.3 watch hour. It gives me about 152 subscribers, and the revenue for this video is about 30.60 cents. Now, one good thing about this video is that this video has a lot of watch time, and this is what YouTube pay for: watch time and the views. So YouTube don't pay you for subscribers. So whatever you have as subscriber, YouTube is less concerned. So let's take a look at the second video, and then we compare which one has a very good audience retention and which one is the best video length for YouTube. All right, so the second video comparison here is just about 14-minute video. They have the same views, which is 5,000 plus, and they have different watch hour. They have different subscriber and they have different revenue. Now, for this video here that have the same view but different watch hour, this simply means that YouTube only pay you for watch hour. So you can imagine a 277 watch hour can never be compared in terms of performance, can never be compared with a video of 500 watch hour. So you can see that. So that is the more reason why this revenue here dropped to 11 point something dollar as far as this analytics is concerned. Now, one very good thing here is that this video here is 1 hour, right? While this one here is just 14 minutes and it generates this revenue. One good thing here is that for you to have a best video length, you have to make sure that your video ranging between these hours. It is not always possible to have a video of a very long length, but it is always advisable. Most time, try as much as possible have a very long content, a unique content that deliver. This one now, it make people engage more on your video, much more. They watch it more, and they take more time to watch your video and see. Eventually, some people watch it to the end. You can imagine somebody take enough time to watch your video, and the result is going to tell right here. So you're going to have more watch hours, and you are going to have more revenue. Like for instance, somebody that spent almost 14 minutes on this video, so you have lesser watch time, and you have the same view, but the revenue will not be the same. What YouTube is telling you right here is that they only pay you for watch hour and the engagement and the audience retention as far as your YouTube video analytics is concerned. So guys, for you guys to know now that we have a video of 5,000 plus, and we have another video of 5,000 plus, almost the same view. But one thing here you need to consider is that make sure each time you want to produce your content, make sure you have at least longer video with a very rich content that will keep people watching, and you get more view, more revenue as far as YouTube analytics is concerned. So guys, I hope you guys find value for this video, and by these two comparisons, you should be able to know which one is the best video length on for YouTube video. Without any gainsaying, the best video length remain between this range of hours upward. It's either you start from minimum of 30 minutes to 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, but make sure it is a very unique content that will engage your viewers to stay on your content, watch more as far as your video is concerned. Then you generate more watch hour, you generate more revenue and the like. So guys, this is what I have for you guys as far as the best video length on YouTube is concerned. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumb up. If you want to argue with me as far as this comparison is concerned, please put it in the comment section. I will be glad to reply to whatsoever you might think that YouTube, this is not a really a nice statistics. You can put it in your comment in this comment section down below. I will reply to you as the case may be. If you would like to join my YouTube Academy, where I hold you by hand and teach you everything you need to be a successful content creator on YouTube, you can connect with me on WhatsApp, or you click the link in the description of this video to get yourself registered to my YouTube Academy if you would like me to coach you step by step on how YouTube can have a successful YouTube channel that will pay you on monthly basis. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.